Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Mike and today we are unboxing and reviewing the Bluedio T4 headset. This is a very inexpensive device with active noise cancelling, Bluetooth and an embedded microphone. I've been looking for this wireless headset for a while. When my Pioneer SE MJ something broke, I've been wanting to get a Sennheiser HD 4.4 Bluetooth, but considering the price, well, I decided to give this one a go, and let me tell you, I am not disappointed. After unpacking this nice looking box, we will find our new headphone set, one Type-C to USB charging cable, one 3.5 audio to Type-C cable, just in case you want to use them without a Bluetooth connection, and a storage bag. The user manual comes in English, Chinese, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Russian and Italian. Before anything else, the dimensions of this headset are 19 cm length, 20 cm width and 3.6 cm of height. Moving to what we really want to know, comparing it to the older models is almost impossible to do. These headphones have a premium look with a brushed metal finish for the ear cups and the comfortable padding reinforced with a metal frame. What I dislike the most in the design is having a turbine on the top of my head. Whoever thought that was a good idea, mate, you are quite wrong. Despite the premium look, there's still something about their design that feels awkward. The headset height is adjustable, so it should fit every shape and type of head. You can also shift the ear pads to the side, so you can fit everything nicely inside your backpack. Let's talk features now. Starting with the controls on the right side, they have volume control, bass control, calls and music control. They can get a bit confusing in the beginning, but after a few redials and awkward random calls with your last called contact, you start getting it right. My advice here is do read the manual instead of insisting on trying to figure out which button does what. To power the device on, just hold the MF button until you hear power on, and you will see the blue light blinking. To power it off, do the same, press and hold the same button until you hear power off. Pairing it is also easy, you just have to turn it on and after a while you will hear ready to pair. Answering and rejecting a call is also simple, just click once the MF button to answer or hold it to refuse the call. One thing that I really advise you not to do is do not double click that button, because it will redial the last number. That's what I meant. Pairing it is extremely easy, just have to turn it on, wait for it to be ready to be paired and find the Bluedio T device. One of the most nice features of this device is the ANC, so active noise cancelling, and to switch it on you just have to switch this button on the side. All the buttons are located on the right side of the device. This device has a very decent battery life that can handle pretty much the whole day. On average, and after several tests, the battery lasted about 18 hours, and it takes only about 2 hours to completely charge. Unfortunately, we don't have all the device required to make a precise measurement of the quality of the device, so comparing it to my previous experiences and after a bit of research, here's a chart with the most common features that you would consider important on headphones. The wireless range is between 10 and 30 meters, depending on the amount of objects in between the device and the transmitter. Let's now talk the bads, the OKs and the goods. Starting with the bads, there's no advanced configuration possibility using an app or something alike. The Bluetooth latency is horrible, so playing games with it may get a bit confusing and watching videos can get pretty weird with a latency running between 300 milliseconds and 1 second. You can't listen to audio while charging it. They don't automatically switch off no matter how much time they are not paired. If you have a medium to big head, definitely go for them. If you have a head as small as I do, while I do really like them, I'd advise you to get something a bit smaller. I tried going for a run with them and they fell, but that may be due to the fact that I also have a small head. Carrying them around your neck isn't very comfortable due to how big they are. Moving on to the OKs, recording quality is quite okay. And just in case you're curious, this is how it sounds. And they are just okay to move around if you have a bag or a huge neck. Otherwise, carrying them is a bit awkward. Let's stop being all negative around here and go for the good parts. They are comfortable even after some hours of continuous listening. There's a low total harmonic distortion. You can use them even without power by just plugging the 3.5mm audio jack. The bass is simply amazing. The active noise cancelling feature is really good. On an airplane you can barely hear the engines, on public transportation it cancels most of the annoying sounds, and it's able to eliminate most of the usual at the coffee sounds. It has a pretty good wireless range, and most importantly it's cheap. If you're looking for a headset where you can just listen to music and not be bothered by the sounds around you, this is definitely the thing to get. If you're considering getting this for gaming, it's definitely a no-no. Do not buy these headphones if you're going to be just gaming on them or watching lots of videos. Due to that 300 milliseconds to 1 second delay, that makes it really uncomfortable to use for videos and gaming. Maybe later they decide to update the firmware. If they do so and are able to fix that issue, that would make these headphones an incredible buy for the price. And this was pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this really quick unboxing and review for the Bluedio T4. If you have questions, feel free to drop them below and we will answer you as soon as possible. For the sake of keeping us going, don't forget to be amazing by clicking that red button with the word subscribe on it. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.